Hello students, and welcome to our monthly snack activity. You should be getting, who's talking so loud over there? Okay, so you should have gotten, there's a sea monster back in the ocean, a packet with all of your stuff, and you should have graham crackers, you should have a pudding cup, and you should have two special edition Trix and two teddy bears. Oh, mine lost his ear. Well, two teddy bears, 3 ears. All right, so hopefully your teddy bears come less abused than mine. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna, after you unpack your stuff, you're gonna put your graham crackers back inside your Ziploc bag. Find something heavy, a cup, your fist, a rolling pin, and you're going to crush your crackers. I said, and make cracker breadcrumbs. Then you take your pudding, you open your pudding, and you're going to put the graham crackers, which represent the sand, onto the top of your pudding. Like that. There is your sand. And your bears, oh, it wasn't his ear he lost, it was his leg. We'll call him old Peg Leg. Peg Leg the teddy bear and his friend, who could this be? This could be his friend, Steve. So we have Peg Leg and Steve are on the beach in the sand with their beach balls. And there you go. It's your summer fun snack, bears on beach with beach balls. Yum, yum. Bye.